Hi, so I'm Jack. I was in charge of mainly writing the code for how this app functions. So I'm going to talk through basically an example of using this app and what the main alarm page does. So as you can see here, I'm going to set my current interval to 2, and that's going to put a 1 minute spacing between the alarms, and each alarm is going to last 1 minute. And then I'm going to set my so I'm going to set my time for my next alarm to a minute from now, and then I'm going to set my time for my final alarm to some arbitrary time in the future. Now it actually just switched to the time for my next alarm, so for the sake of time, I'm going to stick with that, and I'm going to click on. So it's going to start ringing, as you can hear. All right, I'm going to click off so that you don't have to hear that forever. Now, the point of this is that when it goes to 9:05, if I click on again, it will not be ringing. And when it goes to 9:06, it will start ringing again because of that spacing that it automatically created. Besides that, we just have this automatic features that update the time. We have the current time listed in the top up there. And this alarm setting feature also allows you to set your time in a digital format, which is useful, I guess, if that's what you like to do. A lot of the difficulties with this app involved basically the 0 to 10 minute interval because surprisingly the way that the functions return values is not consistent. So it's like, oh, it works for the last 50 minutes of the hour, or it works for the first 11 hours of the day, but on the 12s it doesn't work for some reason. So a lot of the troubleshooting was for that purpose. All right, so if I click on right now, it's not going to ring, and that's because we're currently at 9:05, and that's the time for when it's off. And then it's going to switch to 9:06 at some point, as you can see in the top right. And when it switches, it should start ringing again. So I'm pretty much just a waiting game right now.